So I came up with this date pecan bar that also has chocolate chips and grated apples. So I'm gonna start by peeling and grating 2 apples. I'm using Granny Smith because they're tart. Okay, so I'm grating the apples, mix them with a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Oh, it smells so good. Now I'm gonna make the batter. I'm gonna add 1 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. I'm gonna crack my eggs. I'm gonna beat these lightly. I have 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of fine salt. I'm using the salt that I have in my kitchen always, which is Sal Sol. It comes from Las Coloradas. It is salt that's sun evaporated from the seawater. I just love the taste. You know that it's gonna make all of the other ingredients shine and super nutritious. It gives you calcium, potassium, iron, so many of the minerals that you need. And my butter has melted. I'm gonna remove it from the heat. The first thing I'm gonna add into my melted butter is sugar. I have 3/4 cups. I'm adding the 2 eggs that I lightly beat. The next thing I'm gonna add is dates. And here I have some that I already chopped. I have 1.25 cups, which is about 10 ounces. And you wanna make sure that you beat really well because you don't want them to clump. And now I'm gonna add the dry ingredients. And then I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of pecans. I coarsely chopped. Chocolate chips. Oh, look at these. And now this is gonna marry with the cocoa powder that's been macerating here with the apples and the cinnamon. Now let's mix these. Okay, so these baking dish, I buttered, floured, and I also added parchment paper to the bottom so it won't stick because, as you can tell, this is sticky, super gooey. Gonna spread these out. I have the oven at 350, and this is gonna bake for anywhere from 28 to 30 minutes. My bars were in the oven for almost 30 minutes. Took them out, they've cooled. Now, time to eat. I'm gonna go around with my dinner knife. It smells fruity, it smells chocolatey, it smells fudgy. Okay. Let's flip it again. Ta-da! I'm going to add some confectioner's sugar on top. Okay, now we can, ta-da! This is something that you can eat anytime. You can see the grated apple, the pecans, the chocolate, the dates. It is so good. I hope you will give this a try too.